Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The Acortjl scrunchie bands for Fitbit Versa 4, Sense 2, Versa 3, and Sense. These scrunchie bands are designed to add style and comfort to your Fitbit smartwatch. The first thing to note about these scrunchie bands is their compatibility. They are specifically designed for Fitbit Versa 4, Sense 2, Versa 3, and Sense. It's essential to confirm your watch model before making a purchase to ensure a perfect fit. Acortjl offers two size options for these bands: small and large. Small fits wrists ranging from 6.1 to 7.7 inches, while large accommodates wrists from 6.7 to 8.3 inches. Before ordering, be sure to measure your wrist circumference to select the most comfortable size. What sets these bands apart is their elastic, cloth-based design. They are incredibly easy to put on your wrist, with no need to fuss with traditional buckles. The absence of a buckle makes them lightweight and comfortable, ensuring no added burden on your wrist. Acortjl has used a hypoallergenic material made from cotton and polyester fabric for these bands. This material not only offers breathability but also prevents sweat buildup, ensuring maximum comfort. The bands are soft, flexible, lightweight, durable, and dirt-proof, making them perfect for daily wear. These scrunchie bands come in a variety of colors, allowing you to match your Fitbit to your outfit or mood. Whether you prefer solid colors or patterns, Acortjl has you covered with options like china red, yellow, sunflower, purple, orange, pink sand, dark blue, silver, gray, and black. Each package includes 10 scrunchie bands, offering fantastic value for the price. With this variety, you can switch up your look every day without breaking the bank. Let's take a quick look at what customers are saying about these bands. Many customers appreciate the vibrant colors and patterns. Users find them soft and comfortable, much better than traditional plastic bands. While not waterproof, they are stylish and easy to put on and off. These bands are a great way to change up your Fitbit and add some variety to your wardrobe. In conclusion, the Acortjl scrunchie bands for Fitbit Versa 4, Sense 2, Versa 3, and Sense are a stylish and comfortable replacement wristband option for women. With their compatibility, elastic design, variety of colors, and affordable price, they are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their Fitbit experience. If you want to add a touch of fashion to your fitness tracker, these scrunchie bands are definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these bands, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.